Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of amazing mid-century modern interior design ideas and tips to create timeless interior decor with mid-century interior style. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Mid-century modern interior design is a style that emerged in the middle of the 20th century and quickly became popular around the world. It is characterized by clean lines, simple forms, and a focus on functionality. Mid-century modern design is also known for its use of natural materials, such as wood and leather, as well as its bold colors and geometric patterns. Mid-century modern interior design is a timeless style that can be adapted to any space. Whether you have a small apartment or a large house, you can create a mid-century modern look that is both stylish and functional. How to design a mid-century modern interior. When designing a mid-century modern interior, there are a few key things to keep in mind. 1. Clean lines and simple forms. Mid-century modern design is all about clean lines and simple forms. Avoid furniture with too much ornamentation or detail. 2. Natural materials. Mid-century modern designers often used natural materials, such as wood and leather. These materials add warmth and texture to a space. 3. Bold colors and geometric patterns. Mid-century modern design is known for its bold colors and geometric patterns. Don't be afraid to use bright colors and geometric patterns in your home. 4. Functionality. Mid-century modern design is all about functionality. Choose furniture that is both stylish and comfortable. What styles go well with mid-century modern? Mid-century modern goes well with a variety of other styles, including 1. Minimalist. Minimalist and mid-century modern design share a focus on clean lines and simple forms. 2. Scandinavian. Scandinavian and mid-century modern design both use natural materials and light colors. 3. Bohemian. Bohemian and mid-century modern design both have a playful and eclectic vibe. 4. Industrial. Industrial and mid-century modern design share a love of exposed brick and metal. How to arrange a mid-century modern living room. When arranging a mid-century modern living room, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, create a focal point. Every living room needs a focal point. This could be a fireplace, a TV, or a piece of art. Second, use a variety of seating. Mid-century modern living rooms often have a variety of seating options, such as sofas, armchairs, and ottomans. This allows people to sit in different configurations and create different conversation areas. Third, leave plenty of space. Mid-century modern design is all about clean lines and open spaces. Avoid cluttering up your living room with too much furniture or accessories. Key elements of mid-century modern style. Actually, there are some key elements of mid-century modern style, such as 1. Clean lines and simple forms. 2. Natural materials. 3. Bold colors and geometric patterns. 4. Functionality. And to complete your inspiration, here is a list of the 10 best mid-century modern interior design ideas. 1. Choose furniture with clean lines and simple forms. 2. Use natural materials such as wood and leather. 3. Don't be afraid to use bold colors and geometric patterns. 4. Focus on functionality. 5. Create a focal point in your living room. 6. Use a variety of seating options. 7. Leave plenty of space in your living room. 8. Add a statement piece of art to your home. 9. Use floor lamps and table lamps to create ambient lighting. 10. Add a few personal touches to your home, such as family photos or souvenirs from your travels. Mid-century modern interior design is a timeless style that can be adapted to any space. Whether you have a small apartment or a large house, you can create a mid-century modern look that is both stylish and functional. If you are looking for inspiration for your own mid-century modern interior design project, be sure to check out the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. We have a variety of videos that can help you create a mid-century modern look in your home. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing mid-century modern interior design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.